Hello friends. Hope you are doing well. Today I would like to tell you my daily routine. Hopefully you will listen to me and encourage me. Let's start. I wake up at 5 in the morning every day. Applying toothpaste on the toothbrush, I go to the washroom, brush my teeth, get fresh and come to my room. Then I have a light breakfast and sit down to read. I read for an hour. After that I go for a walk in the park of the house, look at the bloomed flowers in the garden with loving eyes, touch them lightly and especially smell the rose. After coming back from the garden, I take a bath, wipe my body with a towel, apply oil to my hair and comb it. Then I prepare to go to school and put the lunch box in the bag and leave for school. The school is half a kilometer away from my house, so I walk to school. School starts at 9 o'clock in the morning and ends at 4 o'clock. In between there is lunch time at 1 o'clock. I have lunch. School ends at 4 o'clock. Then after coming back from school, I go to the ground near the house, where I play cricket with my friends and come back home at 6:30. After getting fresh, I take a light snack. Then at 6 o'clock I sit down to do homework. At 8 o'clock I have dinner with my family. Then after 9 o'clock I revise lessons. Then I go to sleep at 11 o'clock at night. This cycle of my daily routine continues. Friends, that's all about my daily routine. Thanks for listening to me very attentively. Thanks again.